You think your network's too small to build a pipeline from. I'll prove you wrong in 30 seconds. Open your phone right now. Your contacts. There's a few hundred people right there. Your WhatsApp, your LinkedIn connections, the people who follow you, every email address you've ever traded with someone. Add it up. That's not a handful of people. That's 300, 400, 500 people who already know your name. Now, here's the number that matters. A warm contact convert 10 to 25 times better than a cold one. So those few hundred people who know you are worth more than 10,000 strangers you're about to cold email. Your network isn't too small. It's just unworked. Let me show you how to work it, whether you're starting from scratch or you're already running a business. First, why warm beats cold by that much? It's not magic, it's trust. When a stranger gets your cold message, you spend the first 3 messages just proving you're real and worth listening to. With someone who already knows you, that work is done before you say a word. You start 3 steps ahead. Now, I run a cold outreach firm, so this is the last thing I should be telling you. Before you send a cold email, exhaust your warm network first. Cold is what you do when you run out of warm, not before. One catch. Warm gets you at the bat. It doesn't get you the hit. If your offer doesn't actually deliver a result, a warm list just means more people watching you swing and miss. So this only works once you've got something that works. Stage 1. You're starting from 0. No clients yet. This is the harder spot, but your warm network is exactly where you begin, because you can't afford to burn months building an audience or thousands testing cold. You need proof fast. Don't pitch, ask. Go to the people who already know you and offer to do the work cheap or free for the first few clients. And I know free sounds like you're giving it away. You're not. You're buying 3 things worth far more than a fee: a review, a testimonial, and a referral. That's proof and distribution bought in one move at the exact moment you have neither. And when you ask for that referral, the words matter. Don't ask, do you want this? Ask, do you know anyone who needs this? It's a far easier yes. It doesn't put them on the spot, and it opens the whole network instead of just them. One person who says, actually, talk to my friend Sarah, just turned your network of 300 into theirs. That's how you get your first 5 clients, not with a cold list, with the warm one you forgot you had. Stage 2, you've already got a business, clients, a pipeline. Honestly, you've got it easier than you think, because you're sitting on warm assets that you're not touching. 3 of them. 1, your old clients. They already trust you, hopefully. They're the single best referral source you have, and almost nobody else. 91% of customers are open to giving a referral. 11% of us ever ask. Close that gap and ask at the right moment, right after you delivered a win or at renewal, when they're the happiest. 2, partnerships. Your clients, your business friends, your vendors all sit next to people who need what you do. A warm intro from a partner isn't just a lead, it comes pre-trusted because someone with skin in the game vouched for you. And 3, and this is the one everyone leaves on the table, the pipeline you already paid for. The prospects who couldn't say yes earlier. The deals you marked closed lost. The dormant contacts rotting in your CRM. You already spent the money to acquire those people. Reactivated leads convert at 10 to 25% versus 3 to 8 for cold because they already know you. Your CRM isn't a graveyard, it's a pipeline nobody's worked yet. Give it dedicated time like a real campaign. So, whichever stage you're in, the sequence is the same. Warm first, cold later. Starting from scratch, your first clients are in your phone, not on a cold list. Already running, your next clients are in your old emails and your closed lost folder, not in a new database. I sell cold outreach for a living, and I'm telling you straight, cold is what you build when you've exhausted warm, not instead of it. Work the list you already have like a pipeline, not a vibe. Then come talk to me about scaling it to people who don't know who you are. If you want to go deeper on the partnership and referral side, I've got a full video on it. Links up there. We take on 1 new partner a month. The link to talk is in the description below. Subscribe if this was useful, and I'll see you in the next video.